Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to restore missing chats on WhatsApp. So there are some reasons why there are missing chats on WhatsApp. The first is when you try to search that person's name or message and it's missing, probably you have put that accidentally on your archive. So go to your archive and then look for the specific message and then tap unarchive. Then the message will not be missing here. Another thing is that when you search that person's name and you can still see the message, but you can't see here on the message section, then what you're going to do is you have to tap this three dots and make sure that the disappearing message is turned off. As you can see, if I can see this person's name on the message section, probably I have turned on the disappearing message. So tap turn off and then go back. Lastly, to restore a missing chat on your WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you have this a backup chat backup daily. Go to settings, go to chats, scroll down, tap this chat backup, and as much as possible for frequency, you have to do it daily. Okay, and then toggle on include videos to backup using cellular. So you have to do this like you have to back up your messages from time to time so that it would be easy for you to restore missing chats. So when you open your device or your WhatsApp to other device rather, then you will restore all the messages. So there will be no missing chats anymore. So you have to do this backup before you delete something, before you uninstall, before you do such things or activities on your WhatsApp application. Now, if this method didn't work, then you can go to Google Play Store and look for applications that can help you restore deleted or missing chats on your WhatsApp. You just have to make sure that these are all legit and safe to use. So it's up to you if you want to use these applications to somehow restore missing chats on your WhatsApp. But the very main thing here is you have to do chat backups in order for you to restore missing chats or deleted chats on your WhatsApp and do it daily as much as possible. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.